There are so many different breeds of rabbits, and each one has its own personality. It can be hard to figure out which breed will fit into your life best. The most commonly bought rabbit today is the American. They are also called New Zealand Whites since they originated from New Zealand. They can be quite large as adults. Males will reach near 10 pounds, while females are typically about 6 pounds. These animals are social and enjoy human companionship. They often prefer to spend their time hopping around the house rather than laying down. Before buying one, make sure you have enough space for these animals to move about. These rabbits don't require too much grooming. Their fur is not prone to matting, and they tend to stay clean on their own. However, they will need to be brushed every week. A very friendly and soft-natured rabbit, the French Lop is also one of the largest breeds of domesticated rabbits. They are very gentle and don't make good pets for households with small children or other animals. I would recommend getting two so they can keep each other company. The average weight of this breed is about 8 pounds. The fur of this breed is soft and curly, making them quite popular among owners. If allowed to grow long enough, they will need to be brushed daily for up to an hour. If you are looking for a great pet for a child, this isn't the breed you want. They are quite sensitive and may show their displeasure through nipping or biting when they become upset. Another one of the most popular breeds of domesticated rabbits is the American Lop. These animals are very friendly and loyal companions if raised properly from a young age. These bunnies have evolved to be quite large as adults, around 9 pounds on average for males and 6 pounds for females. Their fur is thick and woolly, and they do not require much maintenance. These animals tend to stay quite clean if left on their own, but you may want to still give them a bath every once in a while. American Lops are very energetic and love lots of attention. They can become aggressive when they are younger and need proper socialization. They may also be a bit destructive when they are bored, so be sure to provide them with lots of toys. The Flemish giant rabbit is the largest breed of domesticated rabbit. As adults, males can reach up to 20 pounds while females typically weigh around 14. They need quite a bit of care and are not recommended for first-time owners. They have dense, woolly fur that may become messy if allowed to grow long enough. If you decide to let your bunny's hair grow out, be sure to brush them regularly so their coats won't tangle. These animals can live up to 10 years if properly cared for, making them great pets for adults or families. The Jersey Woolly is one of the most popular breeds of domesticated rabbits and can be found in almost any pet store. Unlike other breeds, they have shorter fur and are not too active as adults. They are small enough to be a good companion for children, but big enough to be a good companion for adults as well. Although they do not require much of an investment from their owners, these bunnies can be moody. If you are planning on raising one of these animals, keep in mind that they may nip if you do not show them proper affection. Rabbits are one of the most popular household pets in America. They're also very easy to care for and extremely loving creatures, making them a perfect pet choice for many families.